Hello everyone, in this video we will see what all kind of drill bits can be resharpened in BSG 20 India Drill Resharpening Machine. This machine is capable of resharpening HSS as well as carbide drill bits. We can resharpen drill bits from 2 mm to 20 mm, whether it is a straight shank or taper shank. Also we can resharpen end mills from 8 mm to 20 mm, 2 flute and 4 flute. Flat drills can also be resharpened. Step drill bits, wood cutter, sheet metal drill bits can also be resharpened. For special applications, the wheel has to be changed. Example, for resharpening sheet metal drill bit, 45-degree diamond grinding wheel is to be used, which is supplied by us on customer's application and request. Thank you.